Hey, welcome back to Maintenance Made on a Budget. I'm just doing a real quick recap or a part two to my video that I posted earlier about a hard starting Dodge Cummins 2003 5.9 turbo Cummins. And the conclusion of that video was that I ended up changing my injector. So this is the injector. This was number one injector. I did the cutout test, and essentially that cut this whole injector out, and the fuel was being able to pressurize the rest of the injectors, and the engine was actually able to start. So that's how I determined it. I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like. And then I also showed that I replaced this fuel relief valve solenoid, which wasn't the problem. And as you can see here, there's these crush rings. Sometimes will go bad, but I suspect that this injector leaked through my nozzle tip here, so it never was able to hold the pressure. Very sensitive system, but it works good. The reason I wanted to do an update, though, as I described in that video of part one, these are the things I did. There was also one more thing that I had to discover afterwards, which is that my fuel lift pump went out simultaneously as I was trying to troubleshoot this. It made it difficult through that video. The fuel lift pumps, it's kind of hard to see here, but it's bolted on the side of the fuel pump's fuel filter separator. I changed mine several years ago, as I said in the video, and I put in a lift pump. I'm going to put a quick shot of it here on the link, but that was replaced. And so with replacing that, I was able to then see my fuel pressure come back up, and it really helps to have a fuel gauge installed, which I ended up doing later. I went ahead and bought one and installed the fuel gauge so that next time it's a hell of a lot easier to troubleshoot that. But those are prone to go out, guys. Those fuel lift pumps, injectors, banjo clips or crush rings, O-rings, whatever you want to call these. Cut your injector, test that out. Do all that simple stuff first before you get into ripping out the fuel pump, which is here. I've seen some videos where a couple guys were just jumping right to that. I would do all these simpler things first. All right, guys, quick update. If you like, and if you haven't seen that video, go to my channel at Maintenance Made on a Budget. It was hard starting 2003 Dodge Cummins. Check it out. And please subscribe if you like these types of videos, and we'll keep them going. Thanks, guys.